Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to get private server in Grow a Garden in Roblox 2025. At first go to your Roblox account. You can see Grow a Garden. Now tap on Grow a Garden. Now tap on here. Tap on Create Private Server. Now you can see server name option and then write here server name. After filling the server option, tap on Buy Now. Then your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.